Good morning, students. I have not got any of your headlines homework. I have given you in the last days homework that provide headlines from any of the media. So, students, do your homework properly and send it to me. Today we'll continue with functions of the government. Government हमारे लिए क्या काम करती है? Government is like a managing committee. Like in a school, we have the admin office, right? They are managing all the activities of the school. In government, in a government, we are having the democracy. We are having the freedom. It works as per our wishes. जैसे हम चाहते हैं हमारी गवर्नमेंट हमारे लिए काम करे वैसे वो काम करती है. एंड अ गवर्नमेंट इज़ वर्किंग फॉर अ वेलनेस, हमारे भलाई के लिए काम करती है. गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो टेक lot of steps to solve our economic and social problem. Government is always supporting us for solving our economic and social problem. It is government is concerned about our nation's economic condition, the problem of poverty. You see, बहुत जो गरीबी है वो काफ़ी लोगों को, बहुत सारे लोगों को जॉब्स नहीं है, education's problem we are having in our country, health related, etc. All these things government is looking out. It also provides various facilities like making low priced food grain available through the ration shop, assistance during the disaster and calamities. जैसे कि you can see that अब जब कोविड-19 का पीरियड था, all the private hospitals were closed, but only and only government hospitals were there who were treating the people. Lot of people were there to help us, and ration shops were also available. From there people were getting the food, right? So this is the example of the government. That was the function of the government, to help the poor people in the time of crisis. जब कोई तकलीफ आती है, लोगों के पास जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स, social, political, economical problem, government is there to help us. And establishing educational institution, you know, we are having a lot of governments, schools, hospital, and even the government runs the services like government buses. You can see transport. We have judiciary, post office, telegraph, railways. All in all these sector, a government is playing important role, and all these are the functions of our government. And it maintains good relation, friendly relation with other countries also. नाउ इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. महत्वपूर्ण क्यों है हमारे लिए गवर्नमेंट? गवर्नमेंट इज़ नेसेसरी, इट इज़ नीडफुल टू एंश्योर, टू सी that law is same for everyone. Everyone is equal before the government. It frames some laws and see that it is implemented. It is जैसे कि वो लागू हो गए हैं, प्रॉपरली लागू हो रहे हैं, प्रॉपरली वर्क कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. एंड इट इज़ इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय द कंसर्न अथॉरिटी. एक कंसर्न अथॉरिटी होती है, उसके थ्रू ये लॉज एंड रूल्स लागू करवाए जाते हैं, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पुलिस. अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इज टू मेक रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन whenever there is a public gathering. आपने अभी कोविड-19 का मैं अगेन एक एग्जाम्पल दूंगी. जब लोगों को कहा गया था घर के अंदर नहीं रह रहे थे, पुलिस आई थी, बहुत मारती थी, एंड लोगों को बहुत कंट्रोल में रखा था. सो दैट वाज द गवर्नमेंट who were working, government employees were there who were working for us day and night. Many things was there. We have appreciated our government for all this thing. So whenever there is any issues and all, we need a government. इतने लोगों को कंट्रोल करने के लिए एक कोई ही अकेला नहीं होता है. We need people, we need law, rule, regulation, everything is must. Government plays an important role in maintaining law, order, peace. शांति बनाए रखना, शांति से चलना, इसके लिए हमारे को गवर्नमेंट के रूल्स तो चाहिए चाहिए, और एल्स नहीं तो सब क्राइम करने लगते हैं. So we need a government, guys, follow the government rules and regulation, and it is very good for the development of the nations. So we should always help our government, and we are helping our government also. Thank you.